And that's when it hit me. The best idea I ever had in my entire life. That's the worst idea you ever had in your entire life.
Oh no. Oh God. See, that's the problem with cutting bangs. You never know how it's gonna turn out. I will say though, I've seen a lot of people like when they cut their bangs and it like just like goes outwards like that, like horns basically. And I'm like, how does that happen? I don't understand how that happens. I don't know if that's like the hair parting or whatever, but like I don't know anything about hair. So like I don't even know where to begin to decipher that code. But that's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. And it would have looked good on her too. The like vampire looking bangs, but no, it just had to go so left. I'm so sorry.
I was growing my hair out, but Miss Thing needs a trim now. So I think I'm just gonna base it off of when it starts to literally stretch and then cut it there. So that is a good amount. Like this part right here, like wait for it.
Oh no. Oh my God. This is why you have to be so careful when it comes to bleach. Oh my goodness. That is like my worst fear. God. Oh my God. Oh, I can only imagine. Just like rinsing it out and just seeing like the rest of your hair go with it. Like, oh my God. Oh my God. Like, a piece, a single hair. Actually, the end of it because I also need a haircut, but oh my God.
Step 8, damp hair. Step 8, comb hair into a mushroom. Take a piece of tissue and lay hair on top. Take the rod and gently roll it up. BAM! Step 9, take some cotton. Wrap cotton around the base of your head. I do.
Oh my God.
Step 10, add perm wave lotion to add bag and let it bake for about an hour and a half. Step 11, remove bag.
Uh-oh.
Please tell me that's not
No. No. Again with the chemicals. Perms stress me out. Oh, the stress. I remember my mom was a hairdresser for a hot minute in like my basement when I was a kid. And like the smell of perm is like ingrained into my memory. That and like hair relaxer and like texture softener, like all those like sulfury smelling things. Yeah. Don't perm your hair. Don't perm your hair. If you really want it curled, just curl it yourself, okay? Oh no. Uh-oh.
They were on for the same amount of time. I treated them the same. You know, it's splotchy. That's not the issue. Alright, well, I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but it's not put that color on. 2.5 weeks before my wedding. Like, I'm barely pulling. Barely pulling.
Oh no. I will say I have seen her videos before. Love the hair dye. Pretty sure that's what influenced this and my dead ends. Let's not talk about that. But my God. Yeah, if you didn't know like the backstory, she tried 2 different like dyes, like they're the same color, but she tried like one company's and then the other one on the other half of her head. One turned out great, the other one clearly not so much. She did get it fixed though, happily ever after. It's fine now, but I could not imagine like just doing my hair and then just like chunks coming out. Like God, if that happened, I think I would have like a full mental breakdown.
My head hurts and it looks pretty white.
Your
which
head
is
hurts
deceiving because it's got bleach on it, but it looks pretty light. It's been on for like 5 to 10 minutes and my head is burning. So guess what? We're taking it out and hoping for the best.
Oh God, that's not gonna be the best. That's not gonna be the best. That's gonna be bad.
Not sure about this.
Not sure. Okay, if your head is burning, if it's hurting, why are you making a TikTok right now? Like, oh my God, guys, like my scalp's on fire. What are you doing? Baby girl, you gotta wash that out right now. That's like the telltale sign that something is not right. If it hurts, you take it out. Don't leave it for any longer than you have to. Cause like A, chemical burns, B, just burning your hair off. Like that's not good. Why are you making a TikTok in this moment?
Uh-oh, guys.
Uh-oh, it's oh my God.
Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh, guys. Oh. If I just do the other side, I'll have bangs.
Oh no.
Free curtain
no.
bangs. A tutorial by me. It looks so bad. Okay, I at least have to even it out. I look like my name is Bradley and I go surfing.
Yeah, uh-oh guys is definitely the vibe there. Uh-oh is real. Uh-oh spaghetti. Oh my God. The dangers of bleaching. Guys, just use this video as what not to do. okay? Doing your hair is pretty simple, but it can also go wrong very, very fast. So just don't be these people, okay? Just watching it stretch out, like not even just like snap, but like it just stretches until it can't go anymore, like an elastic band. Oh God, I could never. What? Are you Are you dumb or are you stupid? Why? Why are you going so close? Okay, this right here. Do not do this. What not to do? Do not cut your own hair like that. You can cut your hair all you want, okay? Save your money, save your coin, do whatever you need. But if you're cutting bangs and you're going up here, those aren't bangs, baby girl. Those are baby hairs. There's not a hairdresser on the planet that can fix that one. You're gonna have to wear headbands for the next 6 months. What the heck? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, first of all, why are we bringing the mullet back? Nobody asked for that. Everybody's like, oh my God, it's so high fashion. Look at my mullet. Like, no, that just makes you look like a hillbilly or something. Mullets, not cute anymore. I'm sorry, not cute. You cannot cut your hair in a minute and expect it to go well. Because if you think that, there's something going on. There's something wrong.
And I could
Oh boy.
get it fixed. I could always get it fixed.
Oh yeah, baby girl, you're gonna need to get that fixed. Yup.
It is so much shorter than I thought it would be. Oh no.
Oh boy. I will say though, like that length is really cute, so it's not really like the biggest fail. I think she could definitely rock that, but there's nothing, well, I mean, there's a lot worse. But like, it really sucks when you're trying to cut your hair and then it comes out shorter than you expected it to. I've done that one time when I told my mom, hey, can you cut my hair? And I just wanted it to go from here to here, but instead it went from here to here. And I was like, oh, that's gonna take years to grow back and I'm still working on it, so. Oh boy, oh my God, that's so short. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. What in the world is going on? I don't like this. What the heck? Oh my God, see, when she just kept going and going and going and it was going up like the out. That's why you don't get your friends to cut your hair. If you know for a fact that you cannot do it yourself and you don't have someone else who knows hair like very well, go to a salon. Because that's the only way you're gonna be happy. Because this continuous cutting going up to the heavens, not it.
Oh, did you really think I was gonna cut my
Girl,
hair?
you need to lower that a little bit. Uh-oh.
Good, because I really was going to. Look at it. This is so bad.
Oh boy, see, you're gonna have to like sleep with some rollers in or like, I mean, at that point it's long enough so that if you were like to curl it down a little bit, I think it would help. But then again, I don't know.
So first, I'm just gonna kind of
Oh
stand
no.
it. And hopefully show
No,
the
not the
name
razor.
correctly. Okay. Let me see what comes.
You're gonna cut your eyebrow.
Awesome. Okay.
Oh my God, it's going so left.
A poor decision I had made. Makes sense.
Yeah, oh my God, it's lopsided. It really said staircase, oh God. Whew. Okay, that's it. That's all the videos that we have to react to. I just really hope that you all take this as a lesson and you know what not to do if you decide to do your hair. Also, leave me some suggestions down in the comments as to what to do next because I'm kind of tired of the purple. So give me another color suggestion, just not green because I work in front of a green screen, unfortunately. Anyways, I will see you guys at some other point on the internet. Have a wonderful rest of your day, friends. Bye.